everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious eggplant chicken recipe. I will be making a Bharta. To make it non-veg, I will be adding a chicken. Please try this combination and you will like it. This eggplant Bharta I'll be making in pressure cooker. So we're going to peel it. We're going to cut in small chunks along with water, quarter cup, turmeric powder, salt, half teaspoon each. I have 1 chicken breast, 2 tomatoes. We're going to make a smooth puree. Onion, green chili, 1 inch ginger, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon each, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, and olive oil for tadka and good amount of cilantro. First thing, we're going to wash it. Take the bottom off. Once the bottom portion is taken out, now we're going to wash it with a paper towel. We're going to dry it. I'm going to use a peeler and we're going to peel it. Once it's nicely peeled, get the pressure cooker. Now we're going to cut this like this, big chunks. Cut it like this, like we needed some like this big chunk. So place it in pressure cooker. And this is perfect. And now we're going to add salt. Salt is always to taste, and turmeric powder. Quarter cup water. So place the cover. And we'll take this one to gas and we'll cook it for 2 whistles. So we'll start the gas. Place the pressure cooker. We're going to wait for 2 whistles. Onion, ginger, green chili cut into small pieces. I'm going to use my chopper. Cut the tomato in half pieces. I'll place the cover. So we're going to start it. It's all done. Within 10 seconds, we have a nice smooth puree. Eggplant is cooking in pressure cooker. Now we'll start cooking chicken. We have over 2nd whistle. I'll move the pressure cooker on the back burner. And we're going to leave it as is. And I'll get the fry pan. Add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed. Cook for 10 seconds. This is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Cook onion for 3 minutes. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add ginger. Mix it well. Cook ginger along with tadka half minute. Cooking ginger for half minute. Add green chili. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, keep it moving and keep cooking. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Onions nicely translucent. Add spices. Mix it well and cook spices along with tadka half minute. Cooking spices for half minute. Add tomato puree. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium-low. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking with the cover lid. Mix it well. Our tadka is fully cooked. Now add chicken. Mix it well. We're going to cook chicken really well. This is boneless chicken breast and it won't take that long to cook. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes with the covered lid. We're cooking chicken along with tadka. Mix it well. Chicken is fully cooked. If you see, it's nicely cut through. Chicken breasts don't take that long to cook. Now I'll bring the pressure cooker in front so that you can see it. There is no more air. If we see, this is how the eggplant looks. You can mash it like this. You really don't need to do anything. As you can see, it's nicely done. If you have a blender, then just run the blender a couple times. This is good enough. And now we will transport eggplant into tadka. So this is the good. Now we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with the chicken, cover with the lid on medium-low gas. Cook it for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes cooking on a medium-low gas. Mix it well. This one is fully cooked. And now bring your gas to simmer. Good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, this is strictly optional. Add 2 teaspoons butter. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes on the simmer. I'm going to open it. The butter is nicely melted. Turn off the gas. Mix it one more time prior to serving. Look at the butter. This is very delicious chicken Bharta recipe. Please try it. Look at this. How delicious Bharta. Let me share with you. Chicken Bharta. It's a very good combination. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.